Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a $40 percussion mallet and how to buy a, I guess you would say, drum for $20 for almost nothing, right? You can get either of them used, and I'll show you how. But first, we'll make the percussion mallet. You buy a dollar store pool noodle like this one, and then you cut a piece off about that long, and then you stick it on what I would suggest is dollar store broom with a wooden handle, but any stick will do. You stick it on the stick, and then you need to shape it like this. And you shape it with, well, I have an old Chinese back saw that I got at a swap meet that it only cuts on the pull. It doesn't cut on the push. So I pull it away, and I'm cutting the pool noodle that I stuck over the stick here. I'm cutting the pool noodle back at a 45-degree angle at the top, and then kind of shaping the cut a little more. And there you go. Flip it over, do the same on the other side. Kind of hold the two of them like that. So then after you've done that, you then glue it on with what I would suggest is Gorilla Glue, because it bubbles and expands and it'll really stick well, make the two of them stick together well. So after you glue it up, it looks something like this on the stick. Then what you do is you take your dollar store pool noodle and your dollar store pair of socks, and put the dollar store pair of socks over the top of the glued on pool noodle, and then you take your dollar store black electrical tape, which now costs $1.25 because everything at the dollar store is $1.25, and you wrap it around, and you got a $40 mallet for percussion mallet. Okay, you need a drum. Well, you could go out and spend $200 on an American Indian drum with a, face printed on it or whatever of the Plains Indian, or you could go right to Wally Mart and buy an American-made M-A-I-D water bottle. So this is the American-made water bottle. It has a really good tone. Let me show you. So, you ready? The American-made water bottle is about, should be about 20 bucks at this point. So right now you're like $23 in the hole, $25 in the hole. And this is the kind of tone you can get out of this. Just check this out. So there you go. That's it, folks. That's all she wrote.